Hassan, do you know what to say during thunder strikes and lightnings? No, I don't know. Please tell me about it. سبحان الذي يسبح الرعد بحمده والملائكة من خيفته. Meaning, how perfect he is, the one whom the thunder declares his perfection with his praise, as do the angels out of fear of him. That is Quran, Surah Al-Ra'd, chapter 13, verses 13. Whenever you recite this supplication during thunder strikes, Allah will protect you against its harms. MashaAllah. Inshallah, I will always recite this supplication during thunder strikes. Thank you very much. You are welcome. If you like and comment on this video, I will like and comment on 3 of your videos. Share and follow for more exciting contents.
Hassanu.